All right, guys. So, Matic, they coming out with all these updates. So now, they have a Unity plugin allowing game developers to create NFTs on Matic and Ethereum. So, this is bullish for Matic because it's just making it easier. The user experience is going to be easier. So it's like Matic, Unity, and our Arkane network. I hope I'm saying it. Our Arkane network. Hope I'm saying it right. But basically, Unity plugin is now live on Arkane's Matic and Ethereum wallets. Game developers can create NFTs, publish in-game items from Unity straight to Matic or Ethereum, and use social logins like Google and Facebook to automatically create a Matic wallet. So this is gonna make it easier because people like us, like we don't mind doing all the things to have a wallet and all that other stuff like that. But most people are not gonna wanna, most people are not gonna wanna do all this stuff, or they don't know that you have to do all this. So and all they want to do is just play the game. Like they want it to be seamless. So they're helping people do that, so they don't have to do the stuff that we do to get it done. So it says Unity is the most popular game development engine used by game studios. Game developers can publish their in-game items from within Unity straight to Matic blockchain without any knowledge of smart contracts or transaction handling, which is important because I'm not a developer, so I have very little knowledge on smart contracts. I just know, generally what it is, but I do handle the transactions and stuff like that. So they won't have to worry about that. So they can actually own their assets and understand the value of the assets without having to have that you know that that you know that that knowledge that we have to move our assets and stuff like that. It says, moreover, thanks to integration with Arkane wallets, gamers can sign on to their favorite games with their social logins like Google, Facebook, or Twitter, and automatically get a new wallet linked to the game where their assets are safely stored. So their assets will be theirs. As long as they make them understand that your assets are yours and it's not the games, that and later on, as like you got Sandbox and you got Decentraland and maybe some other platforms projects that will come out to where that they can sell their NFTs to other people, so their Fortnite items that they make on Fortnite and all these other games, they can sell them, that they can make a profit from them, because it's theirs and that they can take it with them. So it says to make it even better, the ERC 1155 smart contracts add support for gas stations, so gamers don't even need any knowledge about blockchain and cryptocurrencies to play Matic or Ethereum powered games while still enjoying all the benefits of blockchain. So that is important right there. So once the market sees this and sees that all these people are getting this value from Matic, that's gonna make them people value Matic more. Because I'm not necessarily going to say that because this is happening, like because of the utility of it, that the price will rise per se. I don't think that's necessarily true, and but not to say that that's not good. It's good, but it would make people, well that could, because the more that you use the Matic, the more and the less of it being in circulation and stuff like that, and the more of the need to own Matic, that could help. So that is the utility. But the more people that are staking it, or and the more people that just they want it, they're bullish on it, and they value it at a higher, they see it being at a higher price, that they'll buy it. They'll buy it at at higher and higher prices because they think they can go higher and higher. So that would increase the value of Matic, because of everything going on Matic. And so let's take a look at these platforms. So you got Arkane right here. So they start building blockchain apps. Start building blockchain apps for users love. Okay, so these are the developers, and they show the features. They have a smooth UX, multi-factor authentication, recovery of wallets, multi-blockchain support, and customer service to integrate within minutes. You can have your wallet right there. Um, let's see. Let's go to the apps. Okay, so these are the apps you can using Arkane. You got the sandbox right here, and you got OpenSea. I know CoinStats. That's a market aggregator. That's it's pretty cool. It's a cool little phone app. I did a video on that one too. And you got Crypto Picks. You got Ethermon. So that's a game. You got some games on battle racing games. You got 0x. You got so they're doing things with this while they're making it easier for people to play games on the blockchain and using NFTs and stuff like that. And of course, you got to pay for their services. And I don't know the exact currency. I don't think I think it's euros. I don't quote me on that because I don't know. But this right here is just the stuff that you can get, fiat gateways and all that stuff like that for whatever amount of price. This is for developers, game developers and stuff like that. So that's what they're doing, and you can easily connect with a game, and you connect your wallet, and they help they make it seamless and easy. So you got Unity, right? Because this is a part of their partnership. So you already know what Unity does. It's for gaming, and they're doing a lot already. On top of all that, on top of what they're doing right here, if we go to products, what kind of products that Unity offers, and as you can see, they got Enterprise, Pro. They got all kind of products that they already do. This is kind of the value that they provide. They can provide to Matic network. So they have a lot going on with gaming and multiplayer games. They have a whole lot going on. They even have their own certifications. And we go to like solutions. And as you can see right here, they have a lot. They have a lot to do with gaming, even automotive. Yeah, so companies like to use Unity. And now this one right here, okay, this right here, the on Arkane and Unity, like they kind of working together. But this right here, I guess you would call it like IGGalaxy right here. They basically, they allow you, they say the IGGalaxy is a new space to play your favorite online games competitively, earn free rewards, build your esports teams, and socialize within global gaming ecosystem built for you. So they have their token is on. I think that well, I'm sorry, I don't think that they was on Tron, the Tron blockchain, but they're integrating to the Matic and stuff like that. And so basically, you can already use their platform. They already hold tournaments, and they actually have their token is on the blockchain, but it's integrating into to Matic. And as you can see right here, atomic element and operating as a frictionless medium of exchange as a store of value in their ecosystem. And right now they, of course, like it's saying it's trying, but it's integrating into Matic. And we'll get into this right here because they are also let's go to the Telegram, because on the Telegram, I think they're currently holding a AMA. They might just be finished, but I know like earlier they started earlier because they started 8 p.m. on their time, which is I think like 10 a.m. Eastern time. So they were holding the AMA already on the Matic Telegram, the community Telegram, and they're just talking about the project. But they're also going to be doing running a validator node too. So you'll be able to run a validator node, and they are also I'm gonna go back to go back to here, and The DFYN, I did a video on that, and that's on Matic Network right now. But see, DFYN, IGG, and Matic/Matic liquidity pool instead of details. So come over here and just make sure you can see it. Okay, so they started on the 31st, and basically, they have this is the rewards pool and what you can earn and stuff like that. And what are the requirements and the minimum threshold and stuff like that. Um, so yeah, so they are doing this. They said the amount of rewards you receive through this pool will be based on the amount of liquidity. Okay, so December the 5th to December the 19th, that's the reward period on this DFYN exchange. So this is on Matic Network. This is what I'm saying. Like, all this is happening on Matic Network right now. This article provides details of second reward period. So they already had the first one. So this is the second reward period. And they have this other ORB. And ORB, this is the governance token right here. This is like a utility for, like, the store of value and like the medium of exchange. This is the governance token right here. And really, I want to see if this governance is even on CoinMarketCap. So we're just going to go to CoinMarketCap for a second. As you can see right here, this project is featured and listed. But it's two of them. It's two of these right here. So this is the other one, and this is like, and it's telling you that from Tron to Ethereum. So it's telling you that where it's going to, and you can currently also get it on Uniswap too. Because whatever you can get on Uniswap, you can bring it over to Matic. So it's not like if it's on Uniswap, you can't bring it on Matic. You can, because they have the DFYN, they have that quick exchange too on Matic. So yeah, I want to see if this other one is and I can't really tell what it is. It says project, and let's just go to a website and let's see if so no, I can't say with certainty about that one, but they where's it at? Okay, so this is like the governance token right here, and then of course this one is the other one. So yeah, so there's a lot going on Matic. So you can go on there and actually earn earn these tokens, on Matic. You using an exchange on Matic, which Matic is the gas of Matic. So it's like when you're using Matic on the Matic network, it's just like using Ethereum. So it's just to me, that's why I see it as being Ethereum's little brother, and how and how it could, it can be as valuable as these other blockchains that that are up there and in the top 10. That's just like if we go to the rankings right here on CoinMarketCap, for example, and yeah, so it could be up here with like, especially like I would say like it could be around here. I think it can be around here. I really do. It's just that what's going on with it, and when the market sees that and they see the value of it, then the market will well, in my opinion, the market will price it higher. They'll see it as being more valuable. Like we or anybody else in Matic right now would see the value of Matic, because we see what they're doing. But the market has to see that. The people have to see that, and they have to be willing to say like, well, they'll pay for whatever price Matic is right now, and see it at a higher price, and then the next people will see it to be higher and higher and higher. Next thing you know, they're in the top 10. And especially like this is a bull market, and the sky's the limit next year. All these different, and when DeFi takes off again, like I listening to Token Metrics, I hear Bill Nova say DeFi 2.0. So that's so I think that's true. I think it's gonna be another round of DeFi, and that's what make this big bull run interesting, because when stuff goes up and DeFi picks up again, it'd be interesting to see like how it's going to develop, around the whole market. But Matic is ready for that. It's gonna be easy for Matic. And since Matic is right on the side of Ethereum, these other blockchains are technically they don't have what Matic has as far as like this integration with Ethereum. So that's what I think, guys. But let me know what you think, and you can put it in the comments below. And yes, thank you to my subscribers. I appreciate it. And if you don't agree with me, tell me why you don't agree with me. So you can say that too, or you can talk to me on Twitter and tell me how you feel about the video, because I post my videos on Twitter. So with that being said, guys, you guys have a good day.